Here is our I-CAN statement for today, October 27th, 2020. Take out your math journal. Go ahead and get this copied down. You can pause and write it and then join me. So, I can use basic facts to approximate quotients with two-digit divisors. A lot of big words in here, but we know what all of these words mean. Okay? Basic facts. 7 times 4, 28. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 60 divided by 2 is 30. We know these things. To approximate quotients. Approximate means estimating or rounding. I know that there's going to be some rounding involved. A quotient is the answer to a division problem. Okay? And then we are dividing today with two-digit divisors. Earlier in the year, we divided by one-digit divisors. So today we're moving up to those 2 digits. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. We can do this. So I'm going to give us a problem, and I'm going to talk you through it. 402 divided by 19. There is our two-digit divisor, 19. But what we're going to do is some rounding, okay? We're going to do some estimating. So if you remember that funky looking equal sign, remember the wavy equal sign means about. So we're going to do some estimating here. We're going to round both of these numbers. We're going to start by rounding the divisor. 19 rounds to 20, okay? 402 would round to 400, very clearly. So 402 divided by 19 is about the same as 400 divided by 20. Well, now, guys, I have an easier division problem that I can solve fairly easily. I'm going to show you, you do not have to write this, but I'm going to show you over here using the standard algorithm, and then I'm going to show you a little something fancy, okay? 400 divided by 20. Remember our steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So how many times will 20 fit into 4? It won't. 20 people cannot fit on a bus that only has 4 places to sit. So I kind of put a little X there. So I move over and to the next digit. How many times does 20 go into 40? Well, if I skip count by my divisor, let's see here, 20, 40. Oh, there it is. I skip counted 1, 2 times. So 20 goes into 40 2 times, and 2 times 20 is 40. Subtract 0, bring down that 0. 20 goes into 0 times. Guys, here is a mistake that a lot of 5th graders make. Let me finish for a second. 0 times 20 is 0. Subtract, and I have no remainder. Guys, if there is a number in the dividend in this place, you have to put a number in the quotient in that place. Okay? If there's a number here, there has to be a number here. So 400 divided by 20 is 20. 400 divided by 20 equals 20. Well, so that means that 402 divided by 19 is about 20. Okay? Let me show you a little trick. Okay? 400 divided by 20. What would happen if I divide both of these numbers by 10? If I divide 20 by 10, it moves that decimal over. If I divide 400 by 10, it moves that decimal over. In a division problem, guys, that's called canceling out. Okay? I have a 0 here and a zero in my divisor and a 0 in my dividend. So I can cross both of those out. Well, look at this. What is 40 divided by 2? It equals 20. How cool is that? Click on the next slide and I'll show you another one.